Aguti Christine, contestant number 9 for Miss Tourism Teso from Serere District. So today I'm going to talk about the uniqueness of my clan. Secondly, one tourism site in my district, which is Serere. I'm proud to say I belong to the Irarak clan, which is the second largest clan among the Iteso. We are known to be gatherers of wild fruits and hunters who feed the Iteso. Secondly, one of the tourism sites in my district, Serere, is Lake Kyoga. Lake Kyoga is one of the largest lakes in Uganda with various and sumptuous fish species and very many different kinds of birds. For example, the fox river bird, which is only found on the shores of Lake Kyoga in Uganda. And these are very attractive features in Teso, Serere in particular. Please don't forget to vote me. I'm contestant number 9 for Miss Tourism Teso, Aguti Christine. My name is Aguti Christine, contestant number 9 for Miss Tourism Teso. And what makes an Iteso lady special, and I'll tell you a story from the past being an Iteso woman. Our traditional hair is known as Otorob. Otorob is very unique and special in a way that it is so easy to make. We use it for different occasions, functions, such as weddings, traditional marriages, and so much more. What is special about being an Iteso lady is our culture. Our culture is so vast, our culture is so rich. Talk about the traditional foods, talk about our dances, talk about the way we dress. I'm proud to have a cultural leader, Papa Emorimor Augustine Osuban, who is a uniting factor for the Iteso. A story about being an Iteso lady from my clan. I belong to the irarak clan, and we are very well known for being gatherers of wild fruits and highly skilled hunters. The ladies used to sit around fireplaces with their children, and they talk about stories, about life, about how they grew up. Because their husbands were hunters, so they used to wait from home. They were submissive women who used to serve their husbands while kneeling down. And they used to go to fetch water from streams using amot. Amot is known as a pot in English. So they bring the water home. They would use the water for cooking, for bathing. That was a brief story about being an Iteso lady from my clan. Don't forget to vote for me, Aguti Christine, contestant number 9, Miss Tourism Teso 2021-2022.